Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this video, you'll learn how to set up your shipping rates so buyers see the right price at checkout and your costs are covered. By default, Resogra shows live USPS and UPS rates, calculated from your address to the buyer. You can keep that or customize it in a few simple ways. Let's take a look. From your vendor panel, look in the left menu under Orders and click Shipping Settings. This is where you control everything about how your store ships. First, your carriers. These are the delivery companies buyers can choose at checkout, like USPS, UPS, and DHL. New stores start with USPS turned on. Tick the ones you use, and untick any you don't want to offer. Next, destinations. Type the countries you ship to, using two-letter codes separated by commas. For example, US for the United States, CA for Canada, and GB for the United Kingdom. Buyers outside your list won't see shipping from your store. Now the Rate Override section gives you three choices. The first is free shipping. Tick this box if you want to pay the carrier yourself and show buyers $0 for delivery. It's a great way to win more sales. Just remember the cost comes out of your margin. The second choice is a flat rate. Type one price here, like $6.50, and every order from your store ships for that single price, instead of the live carrier rate. Leave it empty to keep showing live rates. The third choice is a handling fee. This small amount is added on top of the live rate to cover packing materials, your time, or insurance. Leave it at $0 if you don't need it. There's also an optional setting, automatic label buying. When it's on, Resogra buys the shipping label for you the moment an order is paid. Most sellers leave this off at first and buy labels by hand. When everything looks right, click Save. Your shipping rates are now live, and buyers will see exactly what you chose at checkout. And that's how you set up your shipping on Resogra in just a few minutes. A clear shipping setup means fewer surprises for buyers and more completed orders for you. Thanks for watching the Vendor Academy, and welcome to the Resogra family.